Guys, Hunting UK here, and today I'm back with another video. So yesterday I put a video of my air rifle review and laws, which I got a few comments actually saying a few things. So today I'm going to be showing you. Actually, no, I'm not going to be showing you anything. So I might be firing my air rifle later. I've only got 2 pellets left, so I'm kind of out of pellets now until next month. So I don't know if I should be firing my air rifle and showing you lot. But I want to do it, and I will be doing it when I get time. And also, guys, I'm also ordering a mount what goes onto my scope, and I can put my phone in it and record every shot I do. So that might be next month as well. I'm going to find out how much they are. I've seen them, but don't know how much they are. So, and by the way, for you lot don't know my Stoeger X20, it's 22 caliber. If you're new to this channel and you haven't watched my video and you're watching this one, just wondering what I'm talking about, is terrible. Go to the recent video, and you'll find out why. So my air rifle, which is this one. Yeah. So obviously, guys, I won't be keeping this gun for long. I'm on about having a new one. I'm on about having a bolt action. So for you lot wondering, because I didn't really show it yesterday on the features. So this is a brake barrel. Obviously, you know. Now this, obviously, I said in my recent video, this is not a standard scope. This is my scope I put on myself, SMK, and yeah, it's a Stoeger. That's the name. And I've recently only had an air rifle 2 years, so I started going out more. But I use a catapult as well. So if you lot don't know what the catapult is, I will just go and get that for you. Hold on there, my guys, and I will show you my catapult. Here it is. There's the other thing. So guys, this is my catapult. So recently I started going hunting with obviously this said catapult. A few friends of mine asked me, why did you start going hunting with a catapult? Why did you get rid of air rifle? Well, I didn't have permission anywhere, and I've only got, with a catapult you don't really need permission. I know the farms around here anyway, and turned me blank down from my air rifle. Sorry guys, I am talking to you. I'm just trying to sort this out. So I can't really use this at the moment. Well, I can, but it's a risk I'm taking, because if I can show you guys why it's a risk. See it? See how far it splits? Half from that. So it's actually a risk. So I do need to get another band. Oh, and also you guys, if you're just new to my channel, you don't actually. 3 shot left. maybe I can have 1 shot, 2 shots later. I'm literally running low. Oh, I was going to show you one time. So these are lead pellets, not actually real bullets, if you don't already know and you're already new to my channel. That's what you see, pellets. Mine are .22 caliber. Fires really well. Let's get on with the actual thing. So I don't know to you guys. I can try there. So let's try and show you down the actual scope itself. Hold on, guys. So this is the actual scope itself. Probably can't see. That's the scope. Be better when I got an actual. So the next air rifle I'll be having, I do need to get myself a gun safe. As I mentioned yesterday, guys, you don't need a gun safe for these, but I'm on about having another gun. I want a bolt action one way, pull it down and cock it. So this is it's not a pain, no, it's just some days it don't want to come down, some days it will. And also, guys, the cleaning of this gun is quite easy actually. You get some fishing wire and you get 2 ends together and you break it down there. I'll show you when I clean it. It's already had its monthly clean. So yeah, guys. So I do use a catapult, so if you would like to see a video of me using my catapult, comment down below, because I would love to show you the catapult in action. But like I say, comment down below and tell me or ask me to use a catapult if you want. If you like to see more of my air rifle as well, comment down below as well. Or if you'd like to see both both videos on using this and this on the same video or different videos, again, comment down below. Like I say, when I start going hunting, I do want to take this with me. I need to get permission though. It would be nice to get some hunting permission. Like that, because that shouldn't be like that. So yeah, guys, it's a nice gun. It's a little bit heavy on the heavy side, but after you got used to it, you have a problem. I did used to have a different gun, but then I've swapped it back for this one. Oh, and I told you the rules and regulations of having one and owning one, so it should be fine. Like I say, guys, if you do give these a proper clean after using them, you will get that kickback in your shoulder a little bit, just like a little nudge, like somebody going like that to you. But yeah, guys, so if you want to see more of me using my air rifle on shooting range, because I do shoot in my backyard a lot, and I will show you that as well. I'll happily get it out on the video and show you me firing it. But like I say, guys, please comment down below if you want me to do something. So yeah, guys, so that's my air rifle ultimately being shown today. There's not really much I can really show you, apart from to show you about this gun. It's an air rifle, but I've had it for 2 years now and it's done me proud. But also, guys, there's something I can show you. Under here, underneath the scope, you have got a safety switch, so that won't go down. Turn it off. So that's the air off. Stoger, I don't know if Stoger always put their guns there, but their safety there, I don't know. I would believe so, but yeah, it's not a really good place to put it, really. Definitely when you got the scope there. But normally, guys, when you cock it, that'll come out anyway. Anyway, guys, this has been the video today, and I hope you enjoy it. Please put your thumbs up if you enjoy it, and yeah, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll be updating every day, hopefully. See you guys. Goodbye. Yeah, hi guys, I'm back again. I started to shoot the air rifle. So I've got 2 pellets on me. I've got a target over there. So what I'm going to do is stand here, and I'll try and shoot the target. And I will show you me firing it. So first of all, let's get a pellet. Hold on, guys. So I'm gonna shoot the target over there after I've done 2 shots, and then I'm gonna try and actually show you. Now I don't know how long this target's gonna last. It's a little bit windy, but we'll see what we go on. Just hold on, guys. So it's my second shot, and I will fire it again. Now I'm trying to get the other shot out. Here we are, here's another pellet. I'm going to fire a different hole this time. To what I wanted to fire at. This is me firing it. So I'll press the gun on here, and I'll just go show you the holes I've done. Here we are. Now, you can see I've done that hole, and you can also see I've done that hole. So it's not a bad hole. So yeah, guys. Anyway, guys, I hope that wraps it up for the video. Enjoy. Goodbye.